Hey all, hope you're doing great. This is Happy. Welcome back to the new coding recipe. In this video, I'm gonna share you one of my use cases, which is I need to give or I need to show random unique colors in my web page for every refresh or every re-render. So let's dive in and look into the code and how we're gonna do it. As you can see here, this is my component random colors, and the main thing is here get random colors. This is just a function, but it's returning me a array of colors which are unique. Obviously my colors main set is unique, so let me show you the colors set first. So these are unique, but I'm gonna get random colors. That's the reason why I mentioned get random colors. I am passing the count, which is how many colors I need. If I need 10, I'm gonna get 10 colors of array. If I need 5, I'll just get 5 colors of array. So this function gives me array of colors. So I can pass them to a component as prop, or I can pass them to chart.js or any kind of UI the way we are showing to the user. But I'm gonna share 3 ways to get random colors. Generally what we do, we put 2 for loops. Let me show you that. So let us go to this get random colors function, and as you can see I am receiving the colors count which I passed as 5. So this is my const new array. This loop is to get 5 random colors, and this thing is to cross check whether my current color is already exist in the new array or not. So as you can see in the 29th line, I am using math.random into colors.length. Colors.length could be anything. It could be 10, it could be 15 or 12. So what it does, math.random into 12. So it's gonna give me a decimal value. So to convert that into a single digit value, I am using math.floor. I will show you quickly how we are using math.random. So if we run math.random, I'm getting some random decimal number. And if I run math.random into 15, I got 1.18 something, and for the next time I got 13.679 some decimal value. So for this I need only a double digit number, as it is given 15, and if this thing is just 9, I'm not gonna get till 0 to 14, but I'm gonna get only from 0 to 8 because I'm giving it as 9. So let me show you this one. Let me type 9. So I got 4, I got 7, I got 4 again, 8, but I'm not getting the number 9 or also more than 9 because I gave math.random into 9, and it gives me 0 to 8 only, the left part of this decimal point. And we are applying a math.floor and math.random. So if as you can see I have 11 here. If I click on this, hit the enter, yeah, so I'm not getting more than 11, and also I'm not getting 11 also. I'll get till 10. That's it, the maximum. So in this way we are getting our index. So as you can see, math.floor, math.random into colors.length, and I'm getting an index, and from that index I'm accessing colors. So because of this length, I'm going to get in that set. If the colors.length is 12, I'm going to get only from 0 to 11. So this is safe. So I'm getting a color from this thing, and I'm going to check the color is exists or not. And this function is going to check whether the color is exists in the new array or not. And this is just a linear search. I like to put semicolon to for loop. I don't know why. So yeah, and this condition, if the color is found, I'm going to return true. If it is not, I'm going to return false. So if it is false, I'm not going to decrement I. This is just a looping thing, so I need to run it for 5 times, right? So if the color is already there, I'm just decreasing the loop so that it will run for the one more iteration. And if it is not found, so I'm gonna just push that color into my new array.push. So this is one way, and it doesn't make any sense in the output. So I'm calling this get random colors here. So as you can see, I'm gonna get 5 random colors for every refresh, as I am showing based on the refresh here. So see, I'm getting random colors based on every refresh. There is some problem with the mouse, I think. Yeah. So, and let me show you the second case. This is, I think we should avoid this second case because I am using this get random color with set, which is one of the method in our JavaScript. So what I'm doing, this is a very big mistake. I am putting a while of 1, which is infinite loop. So what I'm doing actually here, I'm just getting color in the same way. Here I am getting the index. Previously I am getting the color, but here I am getting the index, and I'm just pushing to new array for 5 times. Just because I am passing colors count, I'm going to run my loop for 5 times. In this new array I got some 5 colors, but I don't know the 5 colors are repeated or not. So that's the reason why I using this set. What this set actually does, it removes the duplicates and make the values unique. And this is the thing. Actually, there is no guarantee that I am getting only random colors which are unique. Of course, we get colors randomly, and also we get colors, but we have no chance, or we can't say that we are getting only unique colors. That's why we are applying set. But the thing is, if I pass 5, I need to get 5 random colors which are unique. But if the set is giving me only 3 unique colors, then I need to loop this thing. For that I am putting this in a while of 1, and with what condition I am checking to reloop or not is if my set is holding 5 number of unique values, then I'm not gonna get into this loop again, which is this for loop. So if my new array.length is not holding the colors count, so if I have a new array.length which is 3 and my colors count is 5, so I need to loop it again. And if I got 5 equals to 5, then I need to break and come out. So if you are using this kind of thing, then in the UI sometimes it might break because it is a while of 1 infinite loop. So I suggest you not to use this thing. And the last one, which is the coolest one I feel, so this is get circular random colors, and I will just show you this one, what will happen if we run this. So just testing what will happen. So I'm calling this get random colors with set. So let me go to my web page. I'll refresh. It's working fine. See this? I think it's not finding that 5 of length, and it just going into the infinite loop and trying to get that length of 5, but it's not getting. So this is a big problem. So please avoid this thing, and I'll show you the circular array style. Yeah, that's gonna be so nice, I believe. And yeah, this is my get circular random colors. So just one loop. I'm excited. So as you can see, I'm getting the colors count, which is 5, and let random number is a number, a random number. Based on the colors dot length, I'm getting a random number, and I equals to 0 and new array. So what we are gonna do here actually, so what I'm trying to share is, this is my while I less than colors count, which is I0, and my colors count is 5, and I'm doing random number modulus operator or percentile operator, colors dot length, which is 12. So let's say I got some random number 10. I'm holding random number 10. So I'm going to get only one time. I need not to loop it all over again for getting the random numbers. Also, I'm just getting the random number only once, which is 10 here, just assuming. And what thing happening here is I'm getting 10 for one loop and I am pushing that to my new array. So what is doing? Colors, random number is 10 as we are considering here, modulus operator, 10 mod 12 is 10, colors of 10, and I am pushing that color to my new array and I'm incrementing my random number. This is very important, and I plus plus to check the number of colors that we need. Random number plus plus is to get a new color, and in the next iteration, when as of now I is 0, right? So when I is 1, so I will get 11, and when I is 2, I will get 12 mod 12, which is 0. So what I'm getting actually here is maybe I'm getting violet, green, and then I'm getting pink if my random color is 10. So this is just a circular style of array, and with one loop we are using. For this thing we use two loops. Yep. And for this thing, which is infinite loop, we should avoid it. And for this thing we are just using one loop. And if the only thing is at here we're gonna get completely random colors. What does it mean completely? Here I may have pink, purple, green, cyan and blue for this get random colors function. But if I run get circular random colors, I'm gonna get colors in order. So the thing is, same example. Let's say we got the random number 10 and 10, 11, 0, 1, 2. So till 5, right? So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna get violet, green, pink, black, red. And if it picked 1, so what it gonna take? Black, red, brown, blue, yellow. So it takes the things in a order, but when it comes to get random colors, as I said, completely random. Completely random in the sense it takes from different indices. And if it comes to get circular array, it considers only one random number. From that it gets the colors in a order. So as you can see here, there is no difference at all in the output. So let me save, let me go to my browser, and this is circular array, right? Let me get this confirmation. Get circular random colors. Yeah, not circular array, get circular random colors. Refresh one, refresh second time, refresh third time. So I'm using style component here, just passing color as a prop to my style component, just the basic stuff, very basic stuff. And if you want to understand style components, I already made a video on this. Please check it out in the description. And I thought of sharing this thing, so I kind of enjoyed while actually writing this kind of use case when I was actually working for my UI. So that's it. Hold on, it's not done yet. The thing is, I'm passing it 5, but what if it is 12? What if it is 15? So then there is a chance of repetition, right? So always please check the edge case whether you are expecting number of colors. That means you are passing. Here I'm passing 5, I'm having 12 colors, it works fine. But if I'm passing 15 colors and I'm having only 12 colors of array, then there is a chance of repetition. So always remember that you need to check the edge cases in any kind of loop, not only in this thing, but in any kind of looping thing. And also there is a small, tiny one, which is math.floor. Why did I use only math.floor? Why not math.seal? So think of it and please drop it down in the comment section why I used math.floor instead math.seal. Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed the coding recipe, and the things that I have shared are completely opinionated. If there is any modification or improvement, please drop it down in the comment section. So I will learn from them. We all can cook happy codes. And don't forget to call the YouTube's API by clicking on the subscribe button. And make those two boolean values to true by clicking on the like icon and the bell icon. And thank you again. We all cook happy codes.